It's June 2020. The coronavirus pandemic lockdown is just ending. It's time to get out in the backyard and feel the sun on our face. And chase mom around too. We've done so much to this backyard and the house, trying to make it a safe paradise for the kids. We've done a pretty good job. But there's still more to do. This whole section of the patio has been a bit of a bane of my existence for the past 9 years. I don't know why you would ever pour asphalt into your backyard. That concrete slab is where some stairs dropped from the breezeway. And this thing, it's an old garbage tank where the garbage man used to come to the house and pick up your garbage. We don't need it anymore, so time to go. Oh, hey, buddy. You want to come and help? Here's a shovel. Come on, buddy. Come and help me. Oh, he doesn't want to help me. This is me telling you about how I use those drill holes and relief cuts to separate this section of asphalt from the driveway so it wouldn't spiderweb through. Someday I'll get better at this video editing thing. Dude, breaking dirt. Are you serious? Come on, is this over yet? Man, this is some pretty epic music for grass patching. Alright, back to the show. Well, it's starting to rain, and I'm exhausted, so I'm going to call it a day. This is day 2 or 3. I'm digging out. It's at a really rough grade now. I have a bunch of stones, but I think those will pack down with the tamper. And then crushed stone over that, get the plane of this patio, transfer that plane into this new patio, and figure out how it matches up with the elevation of the driveway. And the other thing I have to do is dig out underneath the breezeway. I'm hoping it's not as rocky soil. I hope it's nice and sandy, easy dig. Should be just a few wheelbarrows either way, so should be pretty easy, and then I can order a tamper, keep moving forward.